That black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hey you guys, welcome back to a new video. It's your girl Glow and we're back with a new look. For today's look, I'll be styling and showing you guys a wig that I received from Ali Pearl. I've worked with them plenty of times. Love their quality, absolutely mwah, chef kiss. The wig that I'll be showing you guys today is actually a 13x4 lace wig. It's 180% density. It's a 16-inch body wave bob. Also, this wig is actually very affordable. I got a 16-inch 180 density like I said. So I'm trying to see if I can find any other details for you guys about the wig. I think the cap size is small. Anyways, I will have all the details down below so you guys could check it out. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So this is your packaging. When you open up your box, let's see what's inside and what goodies we get. You will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also get some wig caps too. We got some lashes. We got a baby hair toothbrush. We got a wig band and a satin bag to keep your wig in. So that's pretty much everything that you find in a box. Let's go ahead and get into the wig. This is what she looks like straight off the bat. Oh, what? Whatever they had in this plastic bag smells so good. This wig smells like freaking, oh my god, it smells like fresh shampoo or something. I'm just really surprised of how good it smells and also of how good it looks. Excuse me. She's super shiny. It looks like it's been pre-styled already. She's been curled. This is like I don't even think I'm gonna have to curl it today. I'm not. The lazy girl in me is like screaming. This is what it looks like on the inside. I'm not sure what type of lace this is, but it looks transparent. It comes with a wig band right here, adjustable straps. It looks like it's been pre-plucked already. It's parted already. It's pre-styled. Actually looks like it's ready to go. Like middle part wet. Look how good this looks. I pretty much don't even have anything else to say. Like she's ready to go. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. This look literally took me 20 minutes and under to achieve. As you guys saw in the beginning, it was pre-ready. All I really had to do is just clean up the curls a little bit. So I ended up cleaning up the front curls because the back was pretty much fine. It still looks tight and ready to go. And I did trim the wig a little bit just because I wanted like the shoulder to shoulder length, because I feel like it looks more natural. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm obsessed. Like, the lace is everything. It was kind of big on me, so I had to like cut the band and like tie real tight in the back of my head, because y'all, my head is really small and y'all know that I'm bald, so everything is just like flat. But other than that, I'm obsessed with this look. Super easy to install. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out Ali Pearl. I will have all details to the wig down below and to the store, so make sure you guys check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
Melanin, hocus pocus, baby.